Hey there. Investing in ETFs for dividends and want to track your income? Viewing ETF dividend distributions on Schwab tells you exactly how much income your holdings are generating. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to find them. In your Schwab account, go to the History tab or Accounts, Transaction History. Use the filters to select a date range and filter by transaction type, choose Dividends and Interest. This will show a list of all dividend payments received, listed by security, including each ETF, with the amount per share and total paid. You can also find announced future distributions on each ETF's research page. My crucial pro tip? Look up the distribution schedule on the ETF sponsor website. Schwab's transaction history shows what you've received. To forecast future income, go to the ETF provider's site, like schwab.com/research/ETFs, and find their distribution schedule and history. This helps with cash flow planning. That's how you monitor and plan for the passive income from your portfolio. Do you reinvest your dividends automatically, or do you take them as cash? Let me know your strategy in the comments. For more guides on investment income, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.